Listen and check.
I like it. Sounds very good, man. Very good.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, my friends, congratulations. The CD is excellent.
Are we going to be big, Brian? I mean, really big?
Big, yeah.
Well, the CD is going to be in the stores next week, and I think that you have a great future, my friends. A great future.
Hey, rock and roll!
Rock and roll!
And when are we going to go on tour, Brian?
Yeah, when are we gonna go on tour, man?
Well, in December, you're going to play concerts here in the U.S., and then in January, we're going to go on tour in Europe, starting in England and Spain.
Spain? Wow, man! Superb! Viva España! Sí, señor!
Si, senor.
And are we going to appear on TV?
Yes, you are going to appear on TV, on about 6,000 posters, and you're going to have an official website, too.
Excellent!
Excellent.
Yes, it's very exciting, really. It really is very exciting.
Yeah. And then what are we going to do?
Yeah, then what?
Well, then I think you should split up.
Split up? We can't split up. Are you crazy?
Well, no, actually, I'm not crazy. It's a good plan. Think about it. You split up, your photos are in the newspapers and magazines. You aren't going to split up permanently. You split for 2 months, and then in September, you make another CD. The fans go crazy, and you sell 1 million CDs.
1 million?
1 million.
Okay. Good plan, Brian.
Yeah, okay, good plan.